Family Escapaders are on the road again, and we're headed out of Phoenix. Where do you think we're headed? Hello, Family Escapaders. I know we've been gone for a little while. The spring got pretty busy, but good news is it is summer and we are on the road again. I'm not going to tell you where we headed. I know last summer we let you guys...
Yeah, we're going to Grandma and Pappy.
We are going to go see Grandma and Pappy, yes. That's the only hint we're going to give you right now. I know last year we had you guys help us plan our trip, but this year we didn't have, well, Grandma and Pappy helped, but we had no help planning our trip. We've planned it, and now you get to guess where we're headed next. Currently we are in Payson, Arizona. And we stopped at this cool little playground just to take a pit stop, get a snack. We will be back on the road in a few minutes. So where do you think we're headed this summer?
Grandma Pappy.
We will be on a 6.5-week RV tour traveling the countryside. So in the comments below, start guessing. Where do you think we're going to go next?
We're heading to get our books stamped.
Where are we?
We're in the Petrified Forest.
Cool.
National Park. We talk loud. Hello, you here? You're not talking? You know, when I first stepped up here, I'm like, that's just
Dinosaur?
yeah,
Couple dinosaurs. A T-Rex.
I like T-Rex.
Yeah.
I need to find the dinosaur on here.
I don't think there's a dinosaur one in the book. We can look.
There's a lizard here.
A lizard. Lizards too. Dinosaurs and lizards, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
This one?
You find anything, Preston?
No. Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. You still digging?
Yeah. Still over hands. You've never gone to that part of the... Take a picture of me.
Headed for here, bud.
Ouch!
Alright, we are breaking up our drive with a little stop. We still have a long ways to go and many days on the road, but this is a nice little spot on our way. Can you guess where we at? We are at the Petrified Forest National Park. Obviously, we are along Route 66 and we are headed somewhere else. So where do you think we're going? Put it in the comments below. We do have a couple ultimate destinations, but our first one will be in about 3 to 4 days. So where do you think we will be in 3 to 4 days?
To New Mexico.
Apple crisp and vanilla ice cream. What kind do you have, Preston? What kind of ice cream? How about you, Corwin?
New chocolate chip.
We are at the ice cream social. Happens for 1 hour, 7:30 to 8:30 every day.
No, Mommy, this is not the ice cream chip.
It's ice cream social because everybody else is getting ice cream too. See, they're lined up.
We're at the U. And let me take pictures of it.
What are you, part dog?
Yeah.
You're a messy eater.
Hello?
You want a paper towel?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go get you one. From our families to yours, a big hug, and we will see you on the road.